Good afternoon. Thank you for having us on the your media. So we are Reva project engineers. I am Prabanjan and he is Suresh. So we do bakery machines for bakery businesses. We not only help them optimize their labor and reduce their cost of production, we also help them achieve their goals in less number of time, money and labor as well. So we are concentrated only on quality and we have no compromise in consistency in quality. So we are a 25 years old company and we have almost 45 different kinds of machines in our range of list. So major innovations is done by our company. So we do bread making machines, bun making machines, we do large industrial ovens, we do mixers, and we have wide range of products which only help cater bakery businesses and bakery owners and achieve their goals. Sir, price raise, we help businesses like small homes and as well as industrial bakery machines. So we do start our range from 25,000 and it goes all up to 1 crore rupees. Sir, it is a very great event and the response is very good and we are also getting customers which we need, and it is a very successful event as I can say till now.